Hey guys, bought something by mistake in Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Warzone, or COD Mobile? You can still refund it. Here is the web way for each platform. On PlayStation, visit playstation.com/refund, log into your PSN account, start chat with the refund assistant. If it's within 14 days and you haven't downloaded, you will likely get your money back. On Xbox, go to account.microsoft.com/billing/orders, find your code purchase, select request a refund, fill the short form. Response usually comes in 72 hours. On battle.net or Steam, visit first the battle.net, right? Visit support.blizzard.com, go to payments and hit request a refund. On Steam, go to help, purchases, COD or code, and I want a refund. Note, refunds are never guaranteed if the content was heavily used, like COD points spent. The earlier you act, like within 24 to 48 hours, the higher your approval chance. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.